Arlo. I'm 6 and I live in Seattle, Washington.
Okay, Arlo, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go, watch out.
Okay. Whoa, it's heavy.
Yep.
Actually, it's not. There's another box in the box.
What's in that box?
I don't know.
Let's open it, find out. That's the headlight. Here, look at that. Boom. Do you know what that says?
I don't know how to read.
Oh, okay. Battery charger.
Battery charger.
Nice.
Whoa, it's already pretty much filled.
Can you pull the box down? There you go.
Oh, this is a part. This is another part.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I know what that is.
All right, you ready? We're gonna clip the handlebars up. Can you push that in really hard? Boom, nice, good job. Pull the wheel out and I'm gonna lift the bike up. There you go.
What the?
Yeah, nice. All right, can you help me?
I'll grab all of it.
Oh, all of it? There you go. All right, cool. Should we put the front wheel on now?
Yep.
All right, I'll hold the bike. Can you roll the wheel right in place?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
That's good.
Right there?
It's on the thing.
Perfect, got it.
Now screw down the stand.
Yep, now you're gonna screw that down. There you go, that's good. Nice job.
After we build it, like, are you giving them to ride it, anyone?
Yeah, someone's gonna ride it.
Who's gonna ride it?
I don't know, we have to figure that part out.
I hope it's us.
What are these called?
Like that.
What do you do when you ride a bike?
Pedals.
Nice. Oops, see those grooves right there?
Oh.
And see how this one's smooth? So take this one and it's gonna go over here, and that one is gonna go, it's gonna go just like this.
One time I was riding my bike and the pedal fell off.
What? You have to screw it on tighter. This part right here. There you go. All right, you do that one, I'll do this one, okay? Did you just get a bike recently?
Yeah.
What kind?
What kind was it? Oh yeah, mountain bike.
A mountain bike? What color is it?
Green.
Green? Where do you like to ride it?
Ross Park.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Where do you put in the key?
Right here. Can you put the key in?
Why?
We gotta turn the bike on. And then we'll take them out so they don't fall out. We need this one. And then we need this one. Can you loosen this? Take this off. And then, careful not to drop those, but take the bolt out. Nice, and then take one washer off. There you go, and then put the bolt through here. And then we're gonna put it through the fork. And then one washer on the back. Good job. And then we're gonna screw this on. There you go. What else do you like to build?
My tree house.
You built a tree house?
I didn't even start it yet.
Oh, awesome, but you're going to, right?
Yep, in the summer.
How big's the tree house gonna be?
188 feet tall.
That's pretty tall. I'm gonna put the headlight in the right position, and then I'm gonna help you out with the wrench. See how the headlight's pointed down? We need it to point straight forward. There you go, just like that. Nice, then we're gonna tighten it.
Yeah, that's it.
Do you know what this part does?
What?
Do you know what this part is? That's the motor. But you know what this one is, right?
Yeah, motor.
The motor? No, that's the motor. What's this?
Battery.
Nice. All right, good job, bud.
That's a battery.
Yeah. Was that pretty easy to do?
Yeah. I don't want that bike.
You kind of want this bike?
I'm on a ride rad.